Welcome to video 4 of Introductions to Functions. Introduction to Functions. I am the coding teacher and I'm here to teach you how to code. So this exercise starts off with a little explanation here on the left about what's going on when you declare a function. It's a nice explanation. You should probably read it. Basically what they're saying is when you declare variable function name, what you're saying is, okay, JavaScript, there's going to be a variable. You say equals function. Okay, that variable is going to take on the value. Instead of a regular value, it's going to have a function inside of it. And then you're going to be able to call that function by saying function name open close parentheses. So the code. So what is a function? A function is like a block of code that you package into a little, you give it a name. You give the whole block of code a name, and that's a function name. Whenever you invoke this function by calling its name, then that block of code is going to run. That's essentially what functions are for. And in order to solve this exercise, they want us to make a function that tells the world what you want to eat. Declare your function and call it food demand. I like doing this already, open and closing my braces. And the parameter. So they're asking us to make a parameter that's called food. So that's what we're going to do. And then the reusable block of code, what they mean by the reusable block of code is the stuff that's inside the function. I forgot a semicolon here, by the way. The stuff that's inside the function, for that they want us to say console.log I want to eat food. What's happening here? When you call later on, when we call the food demand function, we're going to pass a parameter, and that parameter is going to get used in this console.log statement. This food is coming from here. So later on when we call it, say food demand steak. If we say food demand steak, then this variable food takes on the value steak when this function runs. So we're saying food demand steak, and what we're going to do is run this block of code in a way where the value of the food variable is steak. So what's going to happen is we're going to say console.log I want to eat steak when we make the specific call. Another thing to remark is that this doesn't have to be called food. This could be called X or X, and it will still work. It could be called lingual berry, and that is still just fine. This right here is just the name of a variable. The name of the variable doesn't matter. What matters is the value that gets passed in. So we save and submit code. I want to eat steak, and we're good to go. That's it for this exercise, and I hope it was helpful. I'll see you guys next time.